Alright, back out at the field, getting late in the evening. Hopefully this will come out on the video. Getting a little dark out. Plane has no lights, so hopefully it'll show up. This is my F6 Hellcat. I really like this plane. It's Tower Hobbies, about 110 bucks or so. Well, I was out here flying it a couple of trips ago and really ringing it out. Got a little squirrely with it. Lost control, strictly pilot error, and it was coming in towards the pits, so I just dove it into the ground and it landed just on this side of that dividing fence right there, the safety fence. It didn't really do a lot of damage. It messed up the wing a little bit as far as where the little prongs go into the fuselage. Had to re-glue one of those prongs, and it bent the shaft on the motor. So I ordered a new motor. It's about 20 bucks through Tower Hobby, and I noticed that the motor said it would handle 3S or 4S. So I dug through my box of parts and I found a ESC that was a 50 ampere, and I'm not sure what size ESC comes with this. I neglected to pay attention when I pulled it out, but I thought, let's try this on 4S. That's just what it needs, more power. Alright, so this will be the maiden of it, and I know it's designed to run on 3-cell, so I'm really only wanting to test this today on level speed passes. I don't really want to get into any high G turns with it, for fear that the wings may get folded back. But let's give this a try, and I can already tell you that it's flying pretty quick. If you see the controls, it's slightly over half throttle right there. We'll make one more pass at this speed, and then we'll give it a barn burner down the line. A little heavier. I moved the battery back slightly to accommodate for the CG. Alright, here we go. Pouring on the coals. Oh yeah, this thing comes alive. And this is just a cheapy 20C battery. Alright, let's try the vertical. And just as we thought, it is unlimited vertical. Had to come off of it there. Kind of dark out, I was losing sight of it. Alright, let's bring her in. Like I said, I just wanted to test it. Let's go one more speed pass down at a little lower altitude so you can see the ground in the background. Alright, pouring on the coals. Ooh, there's a little twitchier. Uh-oh, that didn't sound good. Sounded like I heard a vibration in the cowl. Like almost like the prop hitting the cowl. Could have been due to the excess wind coming through it. The cowl is just held on with magnets, so. Ooh. There we go. Yeah, when it gets dark like this, my old man eyes, I can't judge my depth on it, and the depth perception goes away. So what looks like to me as being 6 inches off the ground, truth be told, looks like it was probably an inch off the ground. Alright, let's fire it up and just make sure of that noise. Nope, don't see anything. So it had to be just the cowling right here. You can see it. It's just held on with magnets, so I'm thinking wind rushing through there probably got it to fluttering, causing that noise. Alright, appreciate you watching. Hopefully this comes out good enough to post. Due to it being dark, who knows, but we'll check it out.